Hello, let us see how to solve this problem. What is given is basically an 8085 microprocessor, and it is required that we have to calculate the number of address lines required to access an external memory bank of 16 KB size. So this is a processor and there is a memory whose size is given as 16 KB. Okay, 16 KB is the size. That means each memory location has a byte, and there are 16K locations. Okay, each memory location has a byte. So now this is calculated by using 2 power n is equal to n. So we have 16K. 16K can be written as 2 power 4 into 2 power n, because 2 power 4 is 16, k is nothing but 2 power n, which gives 16K. Okay, that means 2 power 14 is equal to 16K locations. So by getting this, we know that 14 address lines are required. So this is the way we calculate the number of address lines required to interface the microprocessor and the external memory. So we know that the major difference between the microprocessor and the microcontroller is that microcontroller has an internal memory, and if required we will extend the memory using an external memory interface. But for microprocessor there is nothing like internal memory, and we have to interface all the kinds of memories like the flash, the DRAM, or any other EEPROM kind of memories that are required. We have to interface externally. So in such cases there will be something called address lines and data bus to access these memories from this processor. So that is where this question has come up. Thank you.